Is finding the perfect trading partner on TradingView driving you crazy? You're glued to those charts, spotting potential breakouts and killer entries, but the big question lingers: which broker seamlessly connects your brilliant analysis to real-world execution? You're not alone in this quest. Millions of traders worldwide leverage TradingView's powerful charting tools, its vibrant community, and its paper trading capabilities. But when it's time to put real capital to work, the choice of broker becomes paramount. It's the bridge between your strategic insights and your financial outcomes. Think about it. You've meticulously drawn your trend lines, identified key Fibonacci levels, and your RSI is screaming oversold. Now you need a reliable broker to translate that conviction into a trade, quickly and efficiently. A sluggish platform, unexpected fees, or limited order types can erode your edge and turn a winning setup into a frustrating loss. That's why selecting the right broker integrated with TradingView isn't just a minor detail, it's a cornerstone of successful trading. So, who takes the crown for the best TradingView broker? The truth is, there's no single best for everyone. The ideal choice hinges on your individual trading style, your geographical location, the assets you want to trade, and your risk tolerance. What works wonders for a day trader scalping Forex might be entirely unsuitable for a long-term investor focusing on equities. However, we can certainly explore some top contenders and what makes them stand out within the TradingView ecosystem. Several brokers have forged strong integrations with TradingView, allowing for direct trading from their charts. This means you can analyze price action and execute trades without ever leaving the familiar TradingView interface. Talk about convenience. Some popular names you'll often hear mentioned include brokers known for their competitive pricing, extensive market access, robust platform reliability, and responsive customer support. For instance, certain brokers might excel in offering tight spreads for Forex trading, while others might provide commission-free trading on a wide range of stocks and ETFs. Still others might focus on providing access to more exotic markets or sophisticated order types. It's crucial to delve deeper than just surface-level popularity. Consider factors like the regulatory compliance of the broker in your jurisdiction. Are they regulated by a reputable authority? What kind of investor protection do they offer? Look into their fee structure. What are the commissions, spreads, swap fees, if applicable, and any other potential charges? A seemingly low commission might be offset by wider spreads, so do your due diligence. Platform reliability and execution speed are also non-negotiable. In fast-moving markets, every millisecond counts. A broker with a history of platform outages or slow order execution can be detrimental to your trading performance. Explore user reviews and see what experiences other traders have had. Furthermore, consider the range of assets offered. Do they provide access to the specific markets you're interested in, whether it's stocks, Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, or a combination? What about the available order types? Can you place market orders, limit orders, stop-loss orders, take-profit orders, and more advanced conditional orders directly from TradingView? Finally, don't underestimate the importance of customer support. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, you'll want a broker with a responsive and knowledgeable support team that can assist you promptly. In conclusion, while there isn't a universally crowned best TradingView broker, there are several excellent options available. Your mission is to carefully evaluate your individual needs and preferences and then compare the offerings of different brokers based on factors like regulation, fees, platform reliability, asset selection, order types, and customer support. By doing your homework, you can find the perfect partner to seamlessly integrate your TradingView analysis with real-world trading execution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.